Yo, what's up guys, welcome to another video, and we'll do another pack opening. Of course, last pack opening, of course we packed Messi and Robert Lewandowski team season cards. So I was doing a couple of packs off YouTube, and yeah, this is my new best pack. So 3 team seasons, not too bad, not too shabby at all. So let's get into the packs. Pack opening 2 for team seasons. Got 11 on camera, we only doing on camera. And that's just bad style from Maxwell. And the row. Like 12 getting there, farming. Oh, Rooney. These ads are really bad. Maybe like Perry from the ads. No, but Gertz here. It's not a bad pair. And Cosstill. And Banda. 12 to misses. Oh no! This really ruins my videos. So I don't really like doing them on here because it's different. Apparently I can get copyright, so nah. Oh my god, come on. Let's do a go back. Oh, we'll go back. We'll go back after this. Well, let's go back. Get Victor Wijnaldum on it. 3 mega go backs. Diego Alves, Michelle, not too bad. Candraver. Oh my god! We just packed man of the match voice. We just know what. Yeah, man of the match voice. Just drink some water, guys. I got this on YouTube. Royce. Wow. Back to Fanta Royce. Got to open number 3 packs for that. Luis upgraded. So there, we get Sidrich, 1 more because I use Shaka, gone to Arsenal, it's been announced. Oh, why do I like cancel? We have to pack 4 bloody jumbo gold packs. First one you get Naldo, Motta, upgraded. I was like, oh, inform PK. My first time I'm packing an inform. Pack 3. Get Varinha, yeah. I packed 4. Get Ashley Young. Because I packed that inform, we're just going to open another 3 packs. Last pack. Oh, Diego Costa. Got some bad packs and like inform man match to my season. Like 13 team this season, just pack Kante. It's not too shabby at all, Kante. It's at 13 on camera, but if you want to count it off camera, I'll be 21 now. 95 Golding. Holy crap! Jesus Christ, man! 95 flipping Golding. It's a decent pack. That's a very decent. 14, I believe. Tell me down in the comments if that is wrong. Figuli. Plasma Tweedy. We'll definitely most probably do an MCP video too today, so yeah. Oh, Julius Caesar. It's 14. When we reach 18, we'll end the video. 2 in a row. 15. Can't shout. Oh, Rooney again. I can't shout, guys. That's why I'm not being too funny or anything. It's very late at night. Let's get uploaded. Well, you mostly probably will see it. When Oh, hang on, just packed Fireman. Yeah, mostly Thursday. This is being recorded Wednesday, but you'll probably see it Thursday. 16. No, one more. No, two more. Two. Yes, Sunday as well. Not too bad. Oh, 90 such a biscuits. I eat some biscuits right now. Good. Well, 16. No, the 17. No, 16. Yes, two more. Come on, two more. Not the longest videos today, guys, because let's just go back to these. A few of these. And then chance you like, you might get someone. So we pack an 85 plus on this. Go back to 4. 85 plus, I said 85 plus. Has to be. Check. Season 79 read. Danny Alves 84. Mkhitaryan 83. Oh, I'll take that Kevin Gamera though. As it. Oh, what a god, I'll tell you what now, because we got that one more team this season. So that will leave us on 16 team seasons, 2 man of matches and 1 inform. It's not bad at all. Oh my keys here. Could guess he has team season, but no, he does already have one, doesn't he? Yeah. Most consistent. And there we go, guys. We have packed it today. We have packed 17 team of seasons now. From 11, so we packed 6 today. Sorry about that. 2. Was it man of matches? It was Marco Reus 88 and 84 Gamero. Liverpool fans may hate. Let's go on equaliser and Europa League final. And winning from was Gerard Piqué. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. It's been actually quite a long video. So best pack will get you still the 3 team seasons. Yep. Well, I just dropped loads of water, so one more. Right, yeah, thanks for watching this video. Appreciate it. Oh, Di Maria. Yeah, very appreciated. Make sure you subscribe. Smash the like button. Yeah, leave a comment what you want next. This is not just a FIFA video channel. Interesting because I'm drawing. Oh, nice, right there, yeah. Alright, I guess we pack 18 team seasons. Yeah, but tell me what I'm going to be doing. I'm probably doing an MTP video now. Yeah. If you want to see more videos like this, just make sure to smash that like button, of course. Make sure you check out hashtag Great Gameplay 224, Classic Gamer 224, and Galaxy Gamer I think it's 1331. Can't remember. Make sure you check out my Euro video, check out my rest of my videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to all those guys, of course. And yeah, I hope you do enjoy this video. If you want to see more like this, smash the like button. Of course, I've already said that. Stop exaggerating, Jack. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.